Okay. So, as this is the two-way, why I said two-way? Because we provide our input into the LMS and we also get your input at your end to us. Okay, so this is the two-way because whatever learnings are going on your online classes held from the next week, so whatever learning are there, on that basis, assignments are there, quizzes are there. So lot of stuff going on this LMS platform. So whatever you learn, that means whatever we provide you input, we also get whatever you learn, that input you also receive from yourself. So that in that sense, this is a two-way platform. Okay. So this is a very basic, that is the homepage of the LMS. Now let's understand what are the feature under this LMS. Here are the online learnings. Of course, it is the online learnings are there. Calendaring and event management also provided by the LMS. Web and mobile interface. There are the both way of the interface. Web interface as well and the mobile interface. You can use your LMS to the mobile as well. Then digital library, bookshelf, group of chat and break rooms. This is a part of your online classes held on the Zoom. So group chat and breakout rooms are comes under that. Okay. So these are the features. Now understand in a very brief manner. These are the list of activities conducted on the LMS. Live sessions are there, which is your live learning sessions. Then assignment quizzes, that's for your internal assessment. Resource material sharing, which is your basically very important. Here your whole learning content is shared under this, which is the resource material sharing. Then sharing of external links, which contains your videos, whatever learnings you had for the new videos as well as some standard videos. Both type of videos are shared. Then some of the external videos is nothing but the videos from the some another platform, for example the YouTube or any another platform, that also shared under this. Then discussion forum is there and the academic appraisal program. So what is discussion forum, what is academic appraisal program, this whole stuff I explained in very brief under the demo session. But just get through it. It's just a list of activities held on the LMS. Now go into directly into the our login. So this is the login website, which is digicam-dmimsuonline.edcclms.com. Those who are using the Android, please go through the Chrome, and those who are using the iOS users, please go through the Safari. So these are the suggested browsers. You also use another browsers as well. There is no issue with the other browsers. So I request you, if you have another device nearby you, please use that device. You already got your login credentials, and whatever I explained to you, explore with me, so you understood better way what is the under the LMS. So I think you understood what is, and please make sure the link share over here, which is the digicam. Okay. So you're basically understand here, before I jump directly into the login part, there are the two different points I have to cover over here. One is your LMS login ID and second one is your official mail ID. Official mail ID. Okay. So let's understand first. I just come into the point. Here are the two important points. One is your official mail ID. Official mail ID is generated by the organization and shared with you on your official mail, as well as also shared in your official WhatsApp groups. Okay, both things shared. Okay, one is your official mail ID. So I just say you any official ID. It's mainly created like this, SO123 whatever or 2023, which is your admission year. SA, a very unique ID under this. I just doing a random number like this, and after this here is an @ DMIHER dot edu.in. This is your actually official ID. DMI extension is always there. DMI HR extension is always there. Okay. First, remember it. This is your official mail ID. So, how we create your LMS login? If you know your official mail ID, just skip this part, and whatever is before that at the rate, that is your login ID for the LMS, and the password is also shared, and that password may be password as in password or another. Commonly when we share with the students, first as well password as a password. Okay. So if you put your password as a password, you are able to log in. Once you able to log in, one pop-up will come for the confirmation of your password. If you want to keep password as a password, type it again, confirm it again. So it will last longerly save as a password. If you want to change your password, you also put that, and that password will save as in your long lasting password. Please make sure don't forget your password. If you forget your password, you have to connect with the person which is under my team, which is the Mr. Suraj. I think he's also in this session. I will introduce you after. Okay, you have to connect with him. He will reset your password and send to you. Okay, so this is basically a process of the login related issues. Many times what happens, I just show you one. Just I am using over here a demo student. Okay, if you're putting your username and you press one space over here, many time what happens when you do the copy paste, a one extra space is always added on that username. So this space is not visible, and you are able to log in. It shows like this: check your username and password. Okay, so always remember, here two mistakes commonly happen. Either you putting your password incorrect, or either here may be a space at the end or at the start of your username. Okay, if you putting everything correct, you are able to log into the dashboard. So this is your the LMS dashboard. Here under the lot of stuff I have to explain. Anybody any query under these in the login issues or in the login related, and don't worry about your login credentials, it will share soon. Don't worry about it. I just hope you everyone clear about how you have to log in over here. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now moving forwards, this is your dashboard. Okay, if you are using the mobile version, it may look little different but the same. Okay, so in a mobile versions as well, in a desktop version as well. So over here, lot of things I think you are able to see here, but I want to start with the first, which is your my profile section, which is under this icon. So this is your my profile section. You have your whole details over here. What is your email ID? One more thing, if you forget your LMS username, but you have your official mail ID. Okay, I want to show one those things because lot of students also confused over here. So rather than doing anything, if you know your LMS IDs, put your whole LMS ID. Put your whole official mail ID over here, which is I am just putting. See, what is the username of that student? This is the student name. But what I use now, complete mail ID. Password, whatever the standard password is there, your standard password or set password. Okay, and you are able to log in if you are putting the correct. Just give me 2 seconds. Okay, @mail.com. It's my fault. See, one additional space when I copy paste over here, I remove that space. See, so official mail ID, if you put your complete official mail ID with the correct password, also you are able to log in. So don't do lot of confusion. Just do one thing. Remember your LMS password and remember your official mail. I think it is lot better and lot easier for you to remember anything. Okay. So I think login issue is clear now. So this is your my profile section. You can put your whole details over here, which is batch year, class, roll number, after provided from the university. Again, enrollment number also you will get after some time because it takes for the preparation. You can put your mobile numbers, e-portfolio if you have any e-portfolio also, uh, Twitter, Insta, FB accounts. So if you anything you want to put, you can edit over here. Okay. If you have your resume, you can upload your resume over here. Profile photo you also can upload. Two things you cannot change, which is your email ID and your username. Okay, with very standardized format. You can't do anything with this. This is generated from the organization and you can't change anything under it. Clear? So this is your whole my profile section. Now come over here. So lot of things over here as well, lot of things over here as well. So one of the same thing, don't confuse it. In a desktop version, you see in these two formats. In mobile versions, this scroller over here, it's not drop down, it's not come in the mobile version, only just icons come in the mobile versions. Okay, that's why for better understanding, we also keep this over here and same over under this one also. Okay, so this is whole dashboard. Now one more over here, which is very important, that is the notification. Okay, so you all able to see the notification under this bell icon. For example, I just put today LMS training at 31/3/2020 at the 7 p.m. sharp. Okay, so any kind of such notifications can be come under this LMS, and the notification tab will constantly show you. Okay, so this is how the notification work. Who sent the notification and what is the subject of the notification. Any kind of form or any kind of PPT also can be shared through this notification platform. Okay, so this is how you have to come and utilize the notification tab. You can also go through the here notification. Both are the same. Either go through the bell icon or either go through the dashboard. So now come into very important part, which are the courses. Okay, for the today's demo session, I just create one course which is the Indian history. I think some of students are able to see this subject or some of students not. But those students are successfully enrolled into the LMS and who getting their LMS login IDs and passwords, those students are able to see their respective courses. For example, if MBA student is there, he is able to see his MBA subjects. Whatever subjects are there, those are reflected in this section. Okay, MBA student get their MBA subjects, BBA students get their BBA subjects. So whatever subjects are there, those whole tabs are looking like this. For today's demo session, I'm using this subject, which is the Indian history. So this is now once you come under the courses, come under your respective subject. Once you enter into respective subject, you everyone able to see here are the some things I think you are very connect with him. One upcoming activities over here, which is quiz. one course activities over here, modules are over here. So whatever content shared with you, it is under the unit wise format in a LMS. Okay, so now before going into whole how you can utilize the all activities under the LMS, uh, anybody up till here, any concern, any confusion? Okay, so now let's understand first what are the activities. I already showed you in a PPT. There are a lot of activities. Okay, so come into your first module. One more thing I think everyone observed. Module 1 is able to open, but module 2 is not able to open. Okay. Until and unless you complete the whole activity setup under the first of your unit. Once you've done with all those stuff, then you are able to open the second unit, which is the module 2. Okay. Now, how you will done it? I will show you. Once with the we complete with the one activity. Okay. First of all, let's start with the lecture module. Note over here, whatever activity added on the LMS, it always comes up or always comes at first. Okay, so what are the older activities goes into the below, so you have to scroll down for your the older activities. Okay, it is always in a decreasing manner for your better understanding and for your better gettings. Okay, so let's start with the first, which is the lecture on an Indian Constitution module. It is a lecture module. Nothing is over here. Our join link come over here. You just have to click on the join, and on the Zoom platform where is your lecture is held. Okay, you directly join to that lecture. So sometimes it may come under this LMS. Sometimes you will directly get the link. So it depends. Okay. Sometimes you get under the LMS, and sometimes also in your respective WhatsApp groups. There also you will get the your login links. So under LMS also it's possible. You will get the login links. You have do nothing. Just do one thing. Come over here. Click on the join button. It will redirect you into the session. That's it. Nothing else. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now, moving forward, come into the activities. See, everyone notice one green tab is over here, which means you open this activity. Okay. This green tab is for the understanding which activity you already completed and which is not. Okay. So I already opened this activity. So it comes under the green tab. Next is very important, which is the external video link. See, so this is the external video link. It is a YouTube embedded video. It may be shared with you, so you can able to view in any. You can also view into the mobile as well. Also over here as well, you directly click on the play button. It will play, or you can also click on the open button. It will redirect you into the YouTube platform. Okay, so both way you can utilize this type of the content. See over here, it will redirect you into the YouTube platform. So either ways, you can utilize the video content. So this is one more type of the content shared with you. Now, a very important over here, which is very important, which is the external link. Under the external link, commonly shared with you are videos. Whatever learning videos are there, or whatever your current classes. Okay, whatever your current classes held on the held on your Zoom platform, those classes also shared under the LMS. Okay, and shared under specifically external link. Okay, so how you have to access the external link? a lot of student facing issues over here. I showed you what is the issue basically. Okay, this is again another, I think, page is added over here. Some more video link. Okay, here is a video link. See? Okay, it's wrongly putted, I think. Okay, don't worry. Okay. So I will show you how the external link. Over here, the external link is provided, which is up to the web media. Over here, the information is there, but it rarely shared with all of you. There is a most probably under this external link, a video link is shared, which is under the drive. So how you have to access, I will show you at the end of the session because it's little confusing, but not too much. So that's why I held this at the end of the session. Understood here. One more is here, that is the resource. Resource is nothing with, as I already told, whatever there are the books or PDFs, any kind of the content under the PDF format is shared over here. It may be PPT format also can be shared. So you can access through direct through your web portal. You can also download it and utilize it. It's for your learning. So this is the resource module, one of the way of the sharing the content. Okay, so this is all activities under here: resource, external link, external video link, lecture. Those all activities are just for the utilization of your content. Here we can't expect any kind of replies on that. Okay, you just have to use this content for your learning purposes. Now, some of activities, for example, quiz, assignment, those are very important activities where we take the constant assessment. Okay, what you are actually learning. So these two modules always, one is the assignment, second one is the quiz, is comes under the course activities. Very rarely comes under the module or unit, mainly comes under the course activities. Always remember it. So first, let's start with the understanding of the assignment. Okay, so here assignment. So let's continue with the assignment module. It's not very complicated actually. So assignment format is like this. You will get a proper sheet of your assignment. Nasrin, Mr. Nasrin, please mute your mic. Okay, thank you. So this is a format of the assignment. This is for sure I used over here a medical student format, but also there is a standard format for the MBA, BB as well as all CDOE content of the DMI HCR. So standard format will be shared. A list of questionnaire is shared. You have two ways of submission over here according to your faculty's telling to you. Okay. If your faculties want your assignment must be in a typing format, so you have to type and then submit, or your faculties want you have to write the answers on a notebook or on a pages, and then you have to scan all those pages, make a single PDF and then upload. So this process will be explained by your faculties what kind of submission they want. Okay, but commonly faculties will refer you have to write your answers in a notebook or on a pages. You have a scan that answer, make a single PDF and then upload. Okay. Once you're done with your scanning process, save your PDF. Then come over here, select the choose file tab. Whatever your PDF format is over here. Okay. Click on that. I uploaded my PDF, my file is added. Then click on the add submission and your file get added. This is the way you have to submit your assignment. Okay, there are the two again options seen over here, which is one is in download submission, second one is the delete and resubmit the your assignment. Okay, so if you have any confusion or if you feel I missed some page of scanning or anything, you just download your submission, then cross check it once. If you found anything miss, then again scan one proper fresh PDF. Okay, make a single PDF. Then do one thing, delete and resubmit option. Okay, the first response you submitted on a LMS, it's get deleted. Okay, but it's delete only if your faculty or your concerned person is not give you the marks. If already marks are given, then there is if you want to resubmit your response, then it's not possible. Okay, so again, if you want to submit again and you seen didn't get any marks, again choose the newly freshly scanned file. Okay, and then click on the add submission. So this is the way you have to submit your response. Sometimes as here, over here, I allow multiple submission. This is why these two different buttons coming over here, which is the download the submission and delete and resubmit button. Okay, but sometimes faculty only want your one response submission. Okay, so I want all of you, please do your work at the first in a very correct manner. Don't miss any scanning of page or anything else. Many times faculty want your only one submission, and once you're done with your first submission, there is no tab looking like this, a delete and resubmit. Okay, so this is up to very your faculty what they want. Okay, if they want only one submission, so they can opt like that, then there is no delete and resubmit option. You just have the download submission option. So please make sure whatever you are scanning and uploading your assignment, just do in a one way and a submit at the end. Okay, so cross check it 2 or thrice before submitting over here. So this is the way you have to use the assignment module.
Okay.
Next
Yes, ma'am.
important module for the assessment, which is the quiz. So quiz, see over here. Okay. After I start the first button, there is one more time it asking for the quiz. Why we keep this two-way of starting process? Because many times internet is very laggy or some issues are there. So please, before log into your starting the quiz, please check the net connectivity. Okay, because if there is any glitch, any issue with your net after the start of the quiz, then your quiz may get hanged. There are huge possibility for that. So before starting quiz, please make sure your net connectivity is good. Only for the quiz model. No other model requires it, but the quiz model requires your good net connectivity. Also make sure no calls, any kind of things comes over here. Okay, because if you start resolving your quiz and at that time any call received, so as all of you know, when you will get the call, your net connectivity get off by your device. Okay, it is very common. So due to that, again quiz may get harmed. Okay, and due to such thing, whatever answers you already selected, that answers get erased. So you have may start from the start of the quiz, and already the duration you utilize, that duration already gone. Okay, so it is your loss. That's why I'm telling, make sure no phone calls or any another disturbing things comes when you attempt the quiz. Okay, be punctual with the quiz. Click on the second start quiz. See over here, here is a timer. Okay, timer gets starts. Here are the questions. As I didn't put anything over here, just I will show what are the format and what type of format of the answers and questions may ask on a quiz format. Okay, so see here is in first format you will see, and multiple choice question. Mostly MCQs are there under the quiz format. Sometimes it may be short answer questions and long answer questions. Sometimes put, but many times only MCQ format is there. So you just have to select your the respective answers. If you have to type, just type. Okay. True and false type of answers also can be. It's one of the type of MCQ as well. Okay, this is the multiple select, which is also rarely used for this platform. And so this is how I just do it. Why here is a save button? I think lot of student has a question over here. Here is a save button. Why this button over here? Okay. So as I already told you, if any calls comes or anything happens or anything sudden net drop is there. So for that saving of your answers, whatever you have ticked. So we just click on the saved. Okay. So if any disturbance is there, it may be any kind of disturbance comes, your answers at least get saved. Many times what happens, there is a huge quiz like in 40 MCQs, 30 MCQs. So at that time, due to huge quiz, we refer to the student to make a set of 5 or 6 questions or 7 questions. Once you're done with 7 or 8 questions, click on the save. At least minimum those answers will get saved. At least those answers. Okay. Because what kind of interruption in between happens, we really don't know. So for that purpose, we added this save button. Okay. Once you're done with your quiz, click the finish. And your quiz gets submitted. Okay. So this is the mark after the submission, which is out of 42, it's a 60. Okay. If your faculty allow you for the reattempt of quiz, you can also do this. Okay. But see over here what it asks. Okay. All of your result regarding this quiz will be disgraded. Means what? Actually, whatever answers you selected and whatever marks you get in your first response, this get completely erased. Okay. And the new whatever you are opting, those marks will set. Okay. Or those marks will get updated. So if you really want to reattempt your quiz, then only you click on the OK and reattempt. That's the purpose of the reattempt of quiz.
Ma'am, what is the use of save button?
Save button is used only for the interruption purpose. It's not mandatory to use. Don't worry about it. The save button. Okay, it's not mandatory. But we recommend it because many times any kind of interruption may happen. Many times any call may become. So if any call comes and due to this is on web version, what happens? Whatever answers you selected, those answers get erased. Okay, so you have to start from the first question again. So to prevent from that, we provide the save button. So you just come over there and you'll see your already first opted question answers are saved. You just have to go through your next questions. So it's just only for the any kind of interruption purpose. But if the quiz is only for 10 or 20 questions, I don't think there is any need of you have to click on the save button. So this is not mandatory at all. So don't worry about that button. It only requires only for the if there is a 30 or 40 plus MCQs are there, then only you require that save button. Until and unless there are the only 10 and 20 questions, there is no requirement of that. So don't worry about the save button. So this is how you have to utilize the quiz format. So see over here, the video is loaded and you can access it. So these are the standard videos. So this is the way actually. That's why I'm asking to you, please share your login credentials for the official ID and password and how you are able to access this content. Okay. That's why already I also told you again, once again, please keep handy your official mail ID because it's the key for the anything. Okay, whatever you want to access, this is the key. Okay, so this is the way. Officially you have to access the video content. There are some set of standard content also already shared with you, and some of the whatever the classes are going on, those also added on that. So we keep the both classes, standard classes as well as whatever ongoing classes, those also will add. Some of the other platform links also shared for your learning purposes. So lot of stuff for the learning you will for sure will get. So this is your online learning classes, how you have to access. So now anybody has any questions or any doubt over here, because it is very important. Anyone? You just keep in mind, whenever you are coming into the accessing this video content, come into the incognito tab, sorry. Incognito tab, you have just come over here and then do this. So anyone has any concern, any question? Clear everyone?
Clear, madam.
Okay. So I think everyone is clear about the external. There are just 2 to 3 things over here I have to cover. One is the not resource, which is the forum module. No? On this, yeah. So here is an forum module. Is nothing but a very discussion module is over here. Your faculty members, if want to discuss within a group on any specific topic, wants your inputs over there, you make chat with each other also. Everyone is over here, your whole faculties, whole dignitaries over in this chat box. So this is basically nothing but a chat box over here. So you just comment, but whatever you want to comment, please be assured before commenting, because whatever comment you are putting over here, that's not get deleted. Okay, chat box, hello, whatever comment you want to put, you can put, but it don't get deleted and everyone are able to see it. Okay, your faculties as well as your batchmates. So this is the forum module. It's nothing but a chat module, and it rarely used actually, but this is one more module over here. Okay, and the one module is pending, which is the feedback module. Okay, so feedback module is nothing but an rating system. For example, any targeted classes. For example, for any subject like this, Indian history, and one unit is completed, and your faculty want your feedback for what you understand, what you don't understand, everything is made, not made. According to that, your faculty also get improvised and come with you with the better solutions. Okay, because online learning is all about the two-way connections. It's not always a one-way. There is always you also have to improvise yourself, and your faculty also do the same for getting the better results on both the ends. Okay, so how you have to utilize this? You just have to rate whatever the questions they are putting over here, you just read over here. Okay. So once you're done with all questions, submit button will get open and you just have to click on the submit. Okay. So your form will get saved and your feedback get submitted. So see, once I completed with my all activities under the unit 1, unit 2 already directly gets opened. Okay. So this is how you have to do the activities in the first module, then automatically unit 2 will get open and you can utilize the content over here as well. Same you have to do with this, your unit 3 also will get open. So this is the process you have to utilize the whole content over here. Okay. Some more additional features, I cover it very basic, which is the grades. You can see your grading system over here. After getting the marks, your marks also get reflected over here. Assignment. Reporting system is also there. You can track your report, what you will get. You also can track your who is the maximum, minimum marks, what is your marks. Okay. Even your percentage, even here are the graphical formats are there for the reporting system, but it is this reporting system only for this subject. Okay, there are the seven subjects there may be. Okay, so according to the subject wise you will get your reporting. So grades are there, reporting are there. Now some very important things. Yeah, activities over here. It's nothing but activities, nothing but it's just like a notification over here. Okay. See, assignment. If any activity put it for you, for example, assignment or quiz. Okay, you just have to come into either into the upcoming activities through over here or through our dashboard, come into the activities. You will see the notification over here. You click on the directly in the open button. It will be directly redirect into that respective subject as well as that respective activity. You don't have to come into the courses, then search for your subject, then enter into it, then go into the course activity. You don't have to do anything. You just have to come over here into the upcoming activities. Assignment is there, quiz is over here. Click on the open button, it will be redirected. So this is one shortcut for you. Okay. Calendar system is there. You can come into the calendar system if any activity is held for you. For example, here forum is here, quiz is here. Okay. So yeah. So if there is a forum is over here, quiz is over here, so you can see through the calendar system also as well, where at what time what activities are scheduled. Okay. Then one more is the private files. Okay, whatever submissions you are doing through the LMS, those all are saved under this private files. Why this is this facility given to you? If you want any of this, whatever your faculty is also shared with you, any kind of PPT that also shared under here. You will get any kind of PDF of the assignment, and if you want to see that assignment, what is that assignment? I want to go through it once again for any kind of purpose. You just come over here, whole kind of the assignment, your required whatever files are there, those all files over already come over here. You can search and you can use that files. Okay, so this is the my private file section over here. So this is same calendar files again, same nothing but the private file section. So here and here nothing is the difference. This is one iconic format and this is some tabular formats. So this is whole about the LMS. Okay. So I don't think
what about the files?
Yes, please repeat, ma'am.
What about the files?
It's nothing but just save, ma'am. It's just a kind of the save. It saved the all type of the files over here. whatever you are submitting. For example, you submit any assignment. You want that assignment for study into during your exam. So you don't have to search over here and there. You just go your private files and there is already a label. Your assignment is there with proper name. You just have to download it and use it for that purpose. Nothing, it's not a very wholesome format. It's just only for your utilization. It's an additional feature. Okay, because lot of students forget their own official mail ID's password as well. And I just request to everyone, whatever if you are resetting your password, please keep in your mind or write it somewhere until you are passed out from the organization, because it's very important. Your official IDs are the key. So please don't do such stuff, because it's very difficult at our end to reset your official mail ID passwords. Okay, it's easy to reset your LMS password, but official mail ID password takes a lot of time. So please don't do this. Make sure you make your password as simple as that, so you can remember it and use it. Okay, so this is from my side. Thank you everyone for being patient, listening this session, and usually I want to give the good luck for your whole journey with the DMI. So thank you everyone.